Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Straight Group.
Today we discuss a simple breadboard change, a analog digital laboratory or a tester. So this is a first clean the breadboard portable analog digital laboratory. This is breadboard. This is new breadboard. This is sequence follow simple sequence. This is number wise we import this breadboard. This is clean. This is tester, portable analog digital tester or laboratory. This is using DLD or SPL lab, laboratory electronics lab. Just simple touch to complete the installation, breadboard installation. Everything just put and this is just look, just simply done. This breadboard is breadboard change done. So thank you viewers. Assalamualaikum.